Welcome to class, everyone. We have an assignment to do tomorrow and it'll be a group project.
Yay. I love a group project.
That's good, Lily. No, I hate a group project. It sucks. What do I do? Wait a minute, I could ask if I could go to the bathroom, then I'll pull the fire alarm.
No. That's illegal. That's a crime. Do you want to be arrested?
Well, you can't stop me. 'Cause I'll just pull it with my shirt. Well, Lily's right. Pulling the fire alarm is illegal. Don't you care? Shut up, Julian. You're so boring. No swearing. Mr. Hernandez? May I go to the bathroom? Sure, classic caillou. But make it quick. Now to pull it. Okay. Everyone single file line. Let's check if anyone's here. Lily. Julian. Classic caillou. Where is classic caillou? Oh, someone is calling. Mr. Fred. How may I help you?
Well, this is a false alarm. Classic caillou had pulled it to get away from the test.
Thanks, Mr. Fred. I'll get him now. Classic caillou. Get over here now. Yeah. Oh. Classic caillou. How dare you pull the fire alarm? You don't do that unless there's a real fire. That's it. I'm calling your dad right now. And you are expelled forever. Wah! Mr. Hernandez, I'm really sorry. Sorry does not fix it. Are you mad at me? If you are, I'm sorry. Ouch! Don't hit me. Then stop saying you're sorry, because sorry is not gonna fix it. You think it was on accident? No, it's not. It's on purpose. I'm still calling your dad and you're expelled.
Oh, classic caillou. I just got a call from the teacher saying that you pulled the fire alarm. Is that true?
No, Dad, it's never true.
Tell me the truth.
Fine. I did.
Classic caillou. You are grounded for 10765242536271619272718272782727 years. Now, go to your room before you get the belt.
Wah!
Now think about what you done. And stop crying like a baby. You cry baby.